He impressed me with the Photoshop. Take a picture. Congratulations. Good job in that reflection photo. Congratulations.
Thank you. Okay, thanks.
This workshop was a good exposure for us, where we managed to understand what are the key things that we need to improve on Indian wedding photography and how to take it to the next level.
Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge and your experience to us. There will be no any other photographers that will do this, as I know. And thank you so much once again. I really learned a lot. And one thing I regret is I couldn't join this earlier. So as Master Kamalesan said, nothing is too late. So my journey will be starting soon.
First of all, I would like to thank our sponsors for the workshop, ONSMO, Fuji, and Magic Colors by Gauri, our makeup artist. Without them, this workshop wouldn't have been as successful. And I'm really happy to pass down my knowledge to participants here. This is my 5th workshop, and I'm very happy that they are also happy to receive the knowledge that I've given them, and I wish them all the best on the road to taking better and much more aesthetic looking photos, and hopefully they will achieve their goals and dreams in their photography journey. Thank you.